everyone, so we're here another day. So yeah, as you know, last weekend cleaned up all of this best we could with a pressure washer, and now I'm just going over it and scraping all the last bit of grease off and degreasing it all, ready to sand them down, etc. So I've done these few bits, ready for sanding. Got one just starting it, the other one now, a little bit, and then just the rest of it to go really. So yeah, once we get that done and sanded down, we can paint that, and then we're ready to put all the axles Okay, so we're doing, just finished sanding and just finished degreasing. So now I'm going to mask up all these bits where obviously the brake shoes sit on, and then we're going to hang them up and get some primer on them. So I thought I'd leave the hubs until next weekend, just concentrate on getting these right. I'm going to hang all these up, hang all the back plates up, and I did get this out just to finish sanding that off, so might as well get all that painted, do one mix, and then next weekend we can finish on the hubs and then hang all that up and get painted. So once all that's painted, and then obviously we can start putting all the axles back together, which would be really good, and then we can get the chassis back out on top of it, and onwards and upwards from there. Here's my makeshift spray booth. Gotta make good with what you got, I suppose. So, just laying the sheet out. And then, I was going to just run some string across and then hang everything up. In theory. There we go, they're all painted, obviously all primed, sorry. It was literally just to get the paint in behind this side and this side, because this side bolts to the axle, and then obviously the back plates go over the top onto this side. So yeah, it's just mainly to get them on all of the faces, and obviously the inside, where you won't see, well, inside being this side, sorry. So obviously the back sides we can still be able to paint them when they're on the axles, but yeah, bit more done. On to the next bit. Okay, so we got everything else wrapped down, ready to go. Just degreased them all. got my washing line again. All the slack adjusters hung up. So yeah, we'll mix and paint up and see if we can colour some of this in.